July 2024. This riding season's been pretty slow. A lot of rain, fog, but today, as you can see, is pretty nice. Take the NC 750 for a little cruise down the coast, and yeah, just enjoy the day. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, one of the YouTube guys I follow, Ryan Fortnine, recommended these things for your neck because you turn your neck. I was always cutting my neck on it. It's been a great little, I think Sarah, my daughter Sarah, bought this in Cyprus for like $5 or something, and it's been a real great thing to have, you know, cut your neck when you're driving around. It's pretty cool. This is the Laurencetown beach. You could probably see, if you're gonna ride your motorcycle in Nova Scotia, you gotta dress for it, which means it could be really hot one minute and foggy and kind of chilly the next. As we drive down the coast, you probably notice some of the fog coming in, and that's quite comfortable on a hot day. But we'll take a look at the beach. They actually do a lot of surfing here, so they've got a couple places where you can get lessons and stuff. A little surf school. Here's if you want to do that. They've made a lot of improvements. It used to just be kind of like a shack. Now it's all paved, and they've got brand new access stairs. It's bathrooms, change rooms. It's really quite nice. Not quite your beach in Florida, of course. The water's probably about, I don't know, 16 Celsius. But the surf's up, surfers are in. Let's take a look. So I talked to a couple of, young parents, their kids playing in the water. Is she going for a swim? They're like, nope, not me. Guess you have to be ready to go in, but it's really cold. Kids don't seem to mind, but yeah, I think it's probably 15, 16 degrees today in the water. No, thank you.
That's her bicycle purpose.
did a quick visit stop out in Laurencetown? No, Porter's Lake to see the other grandpa and his house on the lake and his boat and stuff. Pretty cool.
That's just him, right?
Yeah. Here, you're gonna be in my video. I'll send it on YouTube.
I gotta get my good side. My hair's not done. I just woke up, you know. Concentrating on my slept.
Oh, how come?
I just want to look nice, I guess.
Yeah, I think I don't have. Weed it.
Yeah, I got
We had these little wheels, and we used to go down to Bissett Lake, and I'd go out there. I'd put a.
this down the other end of the lake.
Yeah, it would be.
If you go past the, it's funny. If you go with the boat, and once you get up past, well, that's the.
My brother, he lives on a lake now. It's his thing. He's got 2 boats. That's what he does. Are you the botanist?
Darlene is. Was here with Emma and had the 3 kids. And here you go up. I thought.
That is cool. Captain